And we're back now at 9:47. Monday is the annual celebration of the mathematical constant pi, also known as Pi Day. That's because March 14th represents the first three digits of pi 314. Today we're making string art with STEM NOLA. They always help us understand pi and other things. Joining us is Balseba Twewlde, also a senior at Patrick Taylor High School, and Shantell Bolden with STEM NOLA. So good morning. And, we always talk about Pi Day coming up, and it's coming up on Monday. So let's talk a little about Pi Day, and then we're going to talk about some really cool experiments with string to help explain that.
Absolutely. So pi is actually the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It's truly an infinite number, but if you type it on your calculator, you get about 10 digits due to limited space. And Balseba here is going to show you how to string that pi onto an activity. So for today's activity, we're going to need some string. You know, the more colorful, the better. A hole puncher, a marker, a pencil, some scissors, some tape, and a paper plate. So we're going to start off by cutting out the center.
Yeah, that's stuff you would have in the house, so it's pretty easy. All right, so go ahead.
Yeah, so we're going to cut out the middle of the circle, and it's going to look something like this.
Okay.
And then we're going to use our marker, and we're going to write the digits 0 all the way to 9. And we're going to try to evenly space them out so they look right.
Gotcha.
And then we're going to take our trusty dusty hole puncher, and we're going to cut out holes right next to these digits.
Okay.
Just like so.
All righty. And that's where the string is going to go through, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So your end result is going to look like this. See how all the holes are cut out.
Gotcha.
And then we're going to take our string, like we have here, and we're going to do the first 10 digits, right?
Yes.
So we have 3, 1, and 4, and 1 already. So next, we're going to do number 5.
Ah, I see what you're doing there. Okay.
And then 9. And you can continue in string art all the way to the infinite number that you like. But for this one, for this demonstration, we're going to do 10. And we actually have one where Balseba actually did 120 digits of the pi circumference. And I used all the colors we had. Yeah.
That's amazing. I mean, actually, that's pretty cool. And it's a neat project to, to kind of, if you're into crafts and you're into, just kind of different ways of learning, it's a really neat way. So, I mean, STEM NOLA, you guys do so many neat things. You guys have a YouTube channel, I believe, as well, don't you?
Yes, we do. You can catch some of our previous recorded live session activities with those same materials you can do at home. Also, recap videos of our past STEM Saturdays if you want to take a look at what we do in person. We also have one coming up this Saturday. It's a big lung and respiration day where we'll be working with medical professionals to teach you how to do your lungs. And then we have programs on our website at www.stemnola.com that you can register for.
Sounds fantastic. I mean, you guys do so many cool, fun things. And hold up one more time, the pi example.
Yes. There you go. So this is our 120-digit pi art. We challenge you to go further if you dare.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Well, you guys do a great job, and again, we appreciate it. And, sometimes I just go onto YouTube on your channel and peruse just to see what you guys are doing. And, I mean, it always blows me away just how interesting the stuff is. You guys have a great weekend and an early, happy National Pi Day on Monday. Take care.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. Thanks again. An unlikely company.